In this video, I'll show you how to download a Canva video in high quality first. Open Canva and go to the video design you want to download. Make sure everything is finalized, including animations, transitions, and audio. Because the export will match exactly what you see in your project next, click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. This will open the export settings where you can choose your file type and quality. Now, under File Type, select MP4 Video. This is the best option for high-quality video downloads. Canva automatically exports videos in good quality, but to get the best result, make sure your original elements like images and clips are high resolution. If your design includes multiple pages, ensure all pages are selected so the full video is exported. You can also choose specific pages if needed. After that, click Download, and Canva will start rendering your video. This may take a few moments depending on the length and complexity of your design. Once it's finished, the high-quality video will be saved to your device and ready to use. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.